Hi there! Happy Year of the Ox! I'm Steinway artist Hsing-ay Hsu here at my Numbek studio in New York City. I am a concert pianist and educator, and I make videos about life and music on my YouTube channel, Hsing-ay Hsu. 大家好，祝牛年快乐！我是Steinway艺术家许心爱，现在在纽约。欢迎大家在Hsing-ay Hsu YouTube 上的频道来收看我有关音乐和生活的节目。这是我父亲许飞星。Hi，
Hello，大家好，祝你们新年快乐。
我爸原来在中央乐团当他们的钢琴家，70年代时经常在中央人民广播电台上和中央乐团的音乐会上演出，家喻户晓。This is my father, Fei-Hsing Hsu, formerly pianist at the Central Philharmonic Orchestra of China in Beijing, who is most well known to Chinese audiences through his weekly radio broadcasts. To celebrate Chinese New Year, I want to share a piece that he arranged called The Joy of Harvest. 我给大家演奏一首我父亲改编的作品，叫《庆丰收》。I hear three characters in this piece: a pure innocence and intense joy, a celebration of manual work, farming, but also playing the piano with our hands, and a perseverance and hard work, seeing the fruit of labor after a long wait. And the ox is particularly known to be a hard worker.
嗨，你们好，祝大家新年快乐。这个作品有3个特点：第一，兴高采烈的情绪贯穿始终；第二，表现手工劳动，包括弹钢琴在内的一种愉快的心态；第三，表现经过辛勤劳动、不懈努力，可以苦尽甜来，大家高高兴兴欢聚一堂，欢庆丰收。众所周知，牛年的牛就是辛勤劳动的象征。谢谢大家。
那现在就让我为大家演奏。Here is The Joy of Harvest to wish you a happy new year. 祝大家牛年快乐。